Welcome to Leigh Farm. This stunning home has oodles of character. You can see the roses here in front of the property. Give it a couple of months' time, this will look absolutely idyllic. It's got its own sundial. Beautiful 5-bedroom property. That includes a couple of opportunities for holiday letting or annex if required. It has 12 acres of pasture land, a large fishing lake, and lovely gardens with superb views. Come inside, looking forward to showing you around. You find us in the big farmhouse style kitchen. There's a wide range of matching base and wall units, built-in appliances, 4 windows here showcasing the view over your own paddock and garden to the views beyond. Our clients have also extended to form a beautiful conservatory with oak frame windows and French doors opening out onto the elevated patio. There are 3 skylights here for additional light, a fully tiled floor making it very practical as well. Approximately 500 years old, the property is a beautiful Grade II thatched cottage. Very flexible accommodation, plenty of bedrooms with potential for a self-contained unit inside, as well as the holiday let cottage that it has separately. I hope you've enjoyed our video showcasing Leigh Farm. We finish off here near the fishing lake, and I mean it's a big lake. It's very, very, very prominent to the property. In behind you'll see the property with a holiday let cottage and its gardens. Just a really superb location. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call on 01288 353 661, and I look forward to showing you around.